What's up guys, beautybyadaa here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add pictures to your videos, pictures to your YouTube videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification buttons, like my videos and share my videos. So just get right on the video. So guys, here you would like to start by going to your iMovie. This is where we'll be creating we'll be putting the video, and then I'll be showing you guys how to do that. You want to click on the plus button there and then go to your movies. You want to create a movie, then we'll be choosing a video from here on to use for our demonstration. So I'll be going with that. And then you click on add, create movie, then it comes out here. Then let me try extending that so that it will be long enough for a video. That is actually a picture, but I used it as a video. So then you want to click on the add button again, and then go to photos, then look through your photo library to choose any picture you want to choose. So we'll be going with that picture. So you see a plus button and the three dots. You see a plus button and the three dotted buttons. You want to click on the three dotted lines, because if you click on the plus button, is going to just add the picture next to the video. But if you click on the buttons, you're going to see the cut away, the picture in picture, the split screen, the green and blue screen. So the cut away is more like just replacing the video with the picture and then putting the video back, if you understand that. And then the picture in picture is like adding the pictures to the video. The split screen is showing both the picture and your video on the same screen. So you want to do the picture in picture, that is what we want to do. And then we are adding it here. You will see where that is, and then you have to arrange, like put the picture where you want it to be. You have options. Yeah, this is what it looks like right now, but you have to place the picture where you want it to be. So you will see those buttons on the right corner, on the top right on your picture. Yeah, you tap first on the picture and it shows in this yellow, it shows the yellow line, and then you see your options up there. So just play around with it, like you see what it all means, all those stuff. Like you have to play around with it. And then I want to put my picture there. This is where I want it to appear in the video, so I put it down there. Then that other button is if you want to increase it, if you want to like zoom it in or zoom it out. That's it. So you just play around with it, do whatever you want, and you will figure out more things. So this is what it looks like. And as the picture is now, if you want to extend the picture, like you want it to show more on the video, you can click on it and then try to draw that out, extending it, and then you click on, you save it. That's it guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video guys. I hope you subscribe, like my video guys, share my video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share my video.